reader and look into my eyes and prepare to be mesmerized.
Can you believe this guy? So this is how it starts.
Welcome, peasants! I am Dog 2.0! Hear me roar!
Excuse me, what's that?
I am God with so much better than you!
You look nothing like me.
Do I sit like a dog, stand like a dog, quack like a dog?
No, you are not me.
Then I am your body, only better.
Oh, no, you're not. Can you track like us? Play like us? Or love like us? I don't think so, buddy. You are too perfect for this house.